Hello everyone, hi Gemini, air sign. This is the reading for you, and this is December weekly reading, and general reading may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, okay? So let's see your messages. What's going on? Gemini, air sign. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think some separation is happened between both of you guys. Some tower moment in this relationship. One person undergoing some tower moment right now because the other person seeing some options. Something is happened between both of you. For some there is no contact or less contact between both of you. One person turned their back from the other person. I think it could be you, Gemini. I think your person may be having options. They're seeing other options, and you came to know about that. Then you walked away. That hover moment is happened between both of you in this relationship. But they're spying on you, social media, and they are coming back with an apology for what they did to you. They did something to you. For some, definitely for some, your person did something to you in past. Now they are coming back with an apology. Messages, communication is coming in your way, but you stand by your power. You overcome all this trauma, whatever is going between both of you. You now be like this. Yeah, you stand by your power. You are very grounded, Gemini. But they are coming back with solid offer. King of stability and Knight of Pentacles. I am seeing two persons coming towards you. One is new person, another one is past person. Yeah, now past person realize you both, and they're coming back with solid offer, with sincere offer, with an apology. Okay, but the new person coming back with stability. Yeah, they want to offer stability to this connection, but you turn your back. Right now you are taking your time to make decision, and but I think new person is coming towards, very rushing towards you. Yeah, past person is also coming back to you, and they are in very slow moving energy because Knight of Pentacles. I think you are having options also. You have to choose one option, and I think you may be having some trust issues with your past person, definitely. But they are coming back with an apology, communication message, and you lot of water energies here. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth energy. Two persons I am seeing here. So take what resonate and leave the rest, and energy could be vice versa. Okay, I think energy could be vice versa. I think Seven of Cups. You have options. Okay. Yeah, but you are taking your time to make decision, and this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different countries, cities, or states. Okay, distance traveling involved in this connection. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you, Gemini. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. First we will see your person current feelings. See, lot of cards I am not taking. Okay, your person current feelings, Gemini. Knight of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Princess of Swords. Yeah, there are spying. There is spying going between both of you guys under the deck. Four of Wands. Yeah, they want a celebration with you. Definitely, they are coming back. There is a lot of passion. Your person is very passionate about you. Queen of Pentacles. Definitely, I think it came reverse. Queen of Pentacles. I think they're thinking that you are very caring and giving person and they don't want to lose. Yeah, there is a lot of passion, but your person may be at some crossroads. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, they're holding back. That's why they're coming very slow energy. Okay, they're coming Knight of Pentacles very slow, Princess of Swords, and I think there is a lot of spying going between both of you. I think your person may be spying on you on social media, but there is a lot of passion. Knight of Wands, they are very very passionate about you. Yeah, but then apology, definitely they want to come forward and say apology to you for what they did to you in past. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Ten of Wands, Five of Wands. What's going? A lot of fire energy. Three of Pentacles came reverse. Actually, I don't read reverse cards, but it came reverse. So let's see. I think you are not accepting their offer. What I am getting here, they're willing to come towards you, but there are some fighting dramas still going between both of you guys, because there is no partnership and collaboration between both of you. And 10 of Wands with 5 of Wands. See, there is a lot of disturbance between both of you. Your person feeling overburdened. I think they are scared to come towards you, but at least they want to send some apology message to you. What I'm getting here, definitely they are willing to work towards you, but they are taking their time. Yeah, because there is a lot of going in your person's life. 10 of Wands energy and 5 of Wands. Yeah, I think there are two persons fighting for your attention, Gemini. And 3 of Pentacles came reverse. I think they are scared that you are going to reject their offer. That's why 3 of Pentacles came reverse. I think this is not, I think they're scared to come forward and ask second chance to work on this relationship. Okay, you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Outcome. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys, because this is general reading. Temperance. Nine of Wands. Yeah. Queen of Pentacles. I think for some there is painful ending between both of you. Yeah, endings. Yeah, I think past person coming back, but you are not giving chance to that person. But now some new person is coming. I think you are interested in some new person. What I am getting here, because some endings I am seeing here, because 9 of Wands with 10 of Swords, Temperance. I think you are taking your time to make decision. And your person also scared. They are hesitating, even though they feeling that they did wrong, but they're scared to come towards you. And 10 of Swords with 9 of Wands. Definitely one person is guarded and one person feeling like this. In this connection, I am seeing some endings. But one person want rebirth in this connection, but not taking any action. What I am seeing. Temperance, patience, balance. I think there is no balance in this connection. I think one person holding back their coin, their emotions. I think it's you, Gemini. But your person literally want to take action, but they are unable to make any move because they're feeling overburdened. They are undergoing something in their life. Yeah, but I think a new person is coming towards you, and they're rushing towards you very fastly. Some new person, new commitment. I think that love is going offer stability to you, because king of pentacles is there. I think that is your new person. But I think you will get some message from your past person, page of cups. Yeah, at least there is some communication is going to be happen between both of you, but action wise I am not seeing any actions. I think even though your person may be approached you, you may be reject your person for some, because three of pentacles, for some it could be third party situation, that's why you are rejecting your person. I think you are guarded up. So this is the reading for you guys. I'm sorry what I'm seeing, I'm telling you. So let's see your overall. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or especially Sagittarius. Let's see your overall energy. Six of Wands, Six of Pentacles, Two of Cups, and Ace of Swords. I think communication is coming. Definitely some honest communication. Two of Cups. I think the new person, maybe your soulmate. You are feeling that. At Six of Pentacles, equal give and take. That person offers equal give and take, and you will get success everywhere in your life. Yeah. Gemini. Or for some you past person, maybe you will give second chance, but is in very less cases. When you feel strong bond with that person, definitely will give. And your person energies for the week: Ten of Pentacles, see, Four of Cups, Chariot, and Devil. Yeah, there is some obsession and resistance. Definitely your person, there is some energy, negative energy, what I'm getting here. Your person could be Capricorn. Yeah, they want to take this relationship to next level, but they're scared for rejection. I think they're scared that you may reject their offer. Yeah, they are willing to offer stability to this connection, but they are unable to make any move due to they're scared. Yeah. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.